Google. Let's go get him again.
What's going on, fragrance family? Welcome to the Road Zoe channel. I'm your host, Mark. Today is your weekly update. I'm gonna let you know how the week is gonna go. We have I feel like a really interesting week. We got some designers, we got some unboxings, we got some sampling samples. We got all types of different brands. I feel like this is a solid week. And always comment below, let me know what you're gonna check out. All 5, none. You're gonna pass on this week. I hope you're not. We have some really interesting stuff, and I think we got a couple good unboxings, but a lot of things I'm gonna be discovering for the first time in my journey. I can't wait. So let's start it off. Monday, you're getting this video. So hi. Tuesday, you're gonna get your subscriber's choice. We're moving on from designers, so now it's gonna be your high-end stuff. So Tuesday, you're gonna get that, so you can choose which sampling samples I'm gonna be doing next week for the next weekend. And then on Wednesday, you're gonna get an unboxing, which is Uncle Serge time. And I told you I bought like a whole bunch of these a long time ago. I bought a whole bunch of these. So this is Serge Noir from Uncle Serge. Never smelt it. It was actually, I bought it at a discounter in Toronto, I believe, and they had Uncle Serge's for under $100, like back in the day. So I snatched like 4 or 5. So this is one of them. And this is an old Serge Lutens fragrance. I don't know what it smells like because I never smelt it. So I'm looking forward to Serge Noir. On Thursday, you get your test drive as usual. This is from Fort Manley. They changed their bottle designs. I love these bottle designs. I don't know what they were doing with their whole brand, unfortunately. I'm not a fan of what they did. I was just getting into this brand, and this was my first one from them. And this is 40 Thieves that I bought back in 2019. And that's where it started with me for this brand. So 40 Thieves, I can't wait to test drive this and let you know what that one smells like. I believe that one's discontinued with their whole change. I don't think they've rebottled that one, unfortunately. Next Friday, we're gonna have an unboxing from the brand of Xerjoff. Again, you're gonna see a lot of these Xerjoffs. I'm down to, I think, 3 more left to unbox. This is Starlight. Luxar was really good. That was my last unboxing. Again, this is a blind purchase, and this was based on you guys. So I'm gonna blame you if I don't like this. A lot of you said this is a cardamom, you know, one of the best in the game. I believe you. So we'll see. That's a blind buy, so we'll see. Next is, of course, Saturday and Sunday, which is sampling weekends. Saturday is your subscriber's choice. So this one is, the winner was Givenchy Gentleman Society. So the newest gentleman, I am going to be sampling that this week. I'm going to start, actually, I'm shooting this video on Friday, so I'm going to be starting to sample that one shortly for that video for Saturday. And lastly, we have, as you can see, this is an official sample that I got like way back when I did a bulk purchase, and this is Acqua di Gio EDP, not to be confused with the Parfum version that just got released. Again, I'm a couple years behind on my designer fragrances, so I'm going to try this one out. It kind of looks like a Senza's bottle, so I'm looking forward to that one. I think this one's going to be really good. I think, personally, we'll see. But yeah, that's your week. Again, as usual, I love reading your comments. I always do on Monday, just to see who's tuning into what. It's really interesting to seeing those comments. So thanks again for the support as usual. I got a lot of work ahead of me, as I always do every week, but a lot of stuff to be unboxed and tested. So I can't wait to start. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow with not this. It's going to be a subscriber's choice. Then it's going to be this. Have a good one.